When I first saw you, the world stood still, like a movie reel, playing a silent thrill. Your eyes were stars in a midnight sky, and I knew right then love could never lie. I reached for your hand, you smiled so slow, a moment in time I'll never let go. Though years may pass, I still replay that first sweet look on that golden day.
So, yun. Happy birthday, Nay. Sana nakasmile ko pa rin hanggang sa video nito. And chill ka lang dyan kasi may mga surprise pa kami para sa'yo. So, dahil birthday mo ngayon, happy 70th birthday. Stay healthy. I pray to God na lagi ka niyang ingatan kahit saan ka magpunta kasi sobrang sipag mo. And we love you. Mahal ka namin. So, yun. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nini. Happy 70th birthday. Good health. More birthdays to come. Halit sa imo manghod, kang siya. Samang tanan. Ingat palagi. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday, happy.
Happy birthday, Tia Basyon. Wishing you a many more birthdays to come. And be happy always. God bless you. And I love you.
Hi, Basyon. I'm so excited to greet you today. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang kan Lord, nahatagang ka pa sa halawig na buhay para ma-enjoy with your forever. Happy birthday. Kasira, umabot man ano. Ako excited gayud ako for the updates. Okay. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Kag enjoy and enjoy and enjoy. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Ninang. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang lagi kang happy. Saka mag-ingat lagi. Love you.
To Ninang Salve na sobrang cool. Wish you more happiness, success, and adventure. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa nag-iisa kong Ninang Salve. Wish ko sana maging malakas yung pangangatawan mo, maging kang masaya at magkaroon ng magaan na buhay. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng tulong, pagmamahal at suporta mo sa akin at lalo na sa family ko. Gusto kong malaman mo na maraming taong nagmamahal sa'yo dahil sa kabutihan ng puso mo. I love you, Ninang. Happy birthday po!
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po.
From Dubai. Me and Gabby and Mama Jobs. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Dapat lagi kang healthy.
Dapat lagi kang maganda.
Dapat lagi kang malakas.
Dapat lagi kang kakain.
Oh, ayan. Thank you, Nanay. Thank you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
You what's deep inside.